front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download free app called DevCheck device and SystemInfo from Flarto developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it, and thanks to it, read all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Quick tip, you can always go into dashboard section and tap on all of those options here, not only to read more about the chosen one, but also to hit settings at the bottom right corner of each pop-up, and this way get transferred to this section in your settings instantly. You can also do that by clicking on gear icons at the top right corners, like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!